Hey guys, how are you doing? Lorem Ipsum Reunion here, and today I will guide you on how to fix preview panels and icons on Windows 10. So previously I had some problem of some icons not showing properly. For example, how can I show you this? Basically, for example, there is an image here and it doesn't show properly, like this. And what I want to do is to fix this, because I had a lot of images and I want to preview it right there. So here it's showing actually, but I want to fix that problem here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to display, I think it's in French, excuse me for that. And then you go to options, then you go to display again, and then you go to reset by default, settings by default. So after you did this, you apply, and then that's it. Your icons is now showing. And sometimes it doesn't show well. So if sometimes it doesn't show well, you just have to reload the page. So you do Ctrl R, and actually it will show the images. I don't know if I have other images, but you see those. Oh no, actually it shows. But basically that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on another tutorial. Bye.